In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Visual Studio Code profile. Creating profiles in Visual Studio Code is a great way to keep different setups for different kinds of work. For example, you might want one profile for web development, another for Python, or a clean profile for presentations or recording. Each profile can have its own extensions, themes, and settings without interfering with the others. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a new profile starting from the Visual Studio Code interface in your browser. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open. This can be either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. We'll start by going to the settings area. Look at the bottom left corner of the window. You should see a small gear icon, which represents your settings and configuration options. Move your mouse down to that gear icon and click on it. This opens a menu with various commands related to settings, themes, keyboard shortcuts, and more. From this menu, we're going to find the option that deals specifically with profiles. In the list that appears after clicking the gear icon, look for the item labeled Profiles. This might be grouped near other customization options. Go ahead and click on Profiles. When you do this, Visual Studio Code will open the Profiles view, showing any existing profiles and giving you options to manage them. Now that you're in the Profiles section, you'll see an option to create something new. Look for a button or command that says New Profile. It may appear as a plus sign with the label New Profile beside it, or as a menu item with that name. Click on New Profile. At this point, Visual Studio Code will start the process of defining your new profile, usually asking you for a name or offering some basic setup choices. After selecting New Profile, you will be presented with a confirmation or creation dialog. Here, you might be able to type in a descriptive name like WebDev or Python Experiments so you can easily recognize it later. Once you're satisfied with the name and any initial options, look for the Create button. Click on Create to finalize the new profile. Your new Visual Studio Code profile is now created and ready to use. From here, you can customize it with extensions, themes, and settings tailored to your workflow, all without affecting your other profiles.